Today we're making some cocktails using Smoke Lab Vodka. Let's go.
So congratulations, Jimmy, on Bungalow.
Thank you, man.
And I'm sure it's always, everything what you're doing is successful.
Thank you. Thank you. I follow your journey, and you know, we have to do our part.
Yeah, and as you said, that line, what you told me, I'll never forget. Can you repeat it for me?
Rising tides raises all the boats. So
yes,
we all have to rise together to get the cuisine 100%, and spirits and the movement.
Yeah. Yep. Good luck. And now we're here, so we're going to check it out.
So we're gonna
see all the cocktails right now.
We're gonna make the cocktails for you. You're gonna be loving them.
Yeah,
let's start.
For sure.
How you doing, everybody? My name is Kevin Ordonez. I am the head bartender here at Bungalow, New York, and I'll be preparing two signature of our cocktails. It's going to be the Jackass from Gub Shop and our very own Pond Sour. So the Pond Sour, the original idea behind it came from our very own chef Vikas. He decided to bless us with some fresh pond leaves in-house. And what I did is I mixed it up with a little bit of Gulkan, which is a rose petal preserve, a little bit of fennel, a little bit of sugar, and we made this really nice green mixture that we developed right into a Pond Sour that paired very well with our very own Smoke Lab Vodka. To get started, obviously we're gonna get started with a little bit of Smoke Lab Vodka. Just a couple of spoons of the pond itself, a little bit of the preserve right there, packed with so much flavor. Gotta kick it with some fresh lemon juice. After all, this is a sour. And to incorporate a little bit more sweetness, we made a Kevra simple syrup. So Kevra comes from the extract water of the pond leaf. Hit it with some fresh egg white. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a quick dry shake before we do the final pour. Pull out our beautiful Nick and Nora glass. We garnish it with some dried rose petals right on the side. And there you have it, the Pond Sour. All right, everybody, next up we have the Ayurvedic Jackass, a specialty cocktail coming from Gub Shop. So it's pretty much our variation and take on a mule, but this time we're utilizing the saffron-based vodka here from Smoke Lab. So what we're gonna do is build up just a touch. Add some fresh citrus to that. And once again, I'm incorporating our Kevra simple syrup in-house just to incorporate more flavor to the body of the cocktail itself. Give it a little bit of ice. And we're gonna top it off with some London Essence ginger beer. Quick stir to blend all the ingredients together. And we're going to be finishing it off with some Royal Rose. This is a delicacy that a lot of our clientele like to have at the end of their dinner, which is a mixture of fennel seed, rose, and a little bit of sugar. And that's just to incorporate more of that freshness flavor to the cocktail. And there you have it. Ayurvedic Jackass. Cheers. So how's this vodka made?
All right, so ingredients, right? So that's the take.
Right.
So we start with our basmati rice. Our distillery is located in a strategic way where Himalayan stream water runs through it.
Wow.
We are a carbon neutral distillery, which people are not too aware of in the country, but we are the first ones, and it kind of makes a lot of sense once you go global with the product and you get recognized.
Right.
We are kosher certified. We are vegan.
That's awesome.
We are gluten-free. A lot of people don't talk about it, to be honest, but we are. It's on our back label, it says all of that. And we are in the trade since 40 plus years, so I think we know what we're doing.
Oh,
right?
Definitely know what you're doing. Right before we started this, I found a little goodie bag in my fridge, and I'm very interested in what this is. So why don't you tell me a little bit of this?
So that's our new product by Smoke Lab. It's called the Green Chili Mango. So, you know, like you notice at bars or at restaurants where people like their vodka with chilies and, you know, like a little touch of mango. So I just decided to give a cocktail in a bottle.
Wow.
You know, so by June it'll be out in America to get served. So this is a little surprise for Bungalow to try it, test it, so nose it, and then sip it.
Well, here at Bungalow, we love surprises. Cheers.
Cheers to Bungalow.
To Bungalow. Oh, this is perfect. You can catch me having this before, during, and after dinner.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you for letting me taste it.
All right. No, we are a climate control company, right? So we believe in sustainability. We are the first, I think, zero carbon neutral distillery. You know, now we're getting there. We're getting out there to make more people aware about it, and slowly it's getting. So you know, the thing is, the minute you see the bottle, you turn it around. We put everything on it, so people get educated like that who don't know about us.
Right.
Right. So that's the movement which we're creating through our product. Yeah.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it.
That's how we do it. We come up with surprises, right? So Bungalow, we've been working from a year plus, and Bungalow pretty much means Bangla in Bengali in India. And the whole idea was to create a space which looks like a nice, lavish Indian house. Like we have verandas, so we have the skylight area, which looks like a courtyard.
That surprised me,
right?
actually.
Yeah, and then we brought everything that's the best of India. We flew 4 containers, and everything you see at Bungalow is custom for the space. And since we brought the best, we wanted Smoke Lab to be here too.
If cooking can create those emotions, cooking is success. I feel that.
It's therapeutic as well.
Absolutely. The mango aam panna is going to add acidity, also sweetness, a whole different layer of smokiness with roasted cumin, and then goes in here, placing them right here. You know, India is so diverse, so complex, at the same time so simple, and I feel that as a chef living in New York and representing a culture, it's my duty and an obligation and my honor to bring that diversity to our plates.